Here's my number 2 idea for my Christmas series hamper. I hope you've seen my previous video. Last video we were making a coconut macaroon to put on your hamper. Well, I thought in addition for the hamper, I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon curd. Lemon curd is super easy to make, and if stored properly they do last a while. Soak your gelatin sheets in cold water. This is very important. If you soak your gelatin in warm water, it starts to melt. Using a pan, add in your lemon juice, butter, and sugar. Heat until boiling. Blend egg yolk and sugar together. Once your lemon juice mixture is boiling, pour over to your egg yolk mix slowly. Then put it back in the pan and boil until 82 degrees. Add your soaked gelatin into the mix. Pass through a sieve. Using a piping bag, fill your jars with a lemon curd. Then let it cool. How beautiful is that? Thank you for watching. If you have made this recipe, feel free to comment below.